Hi, Michael Trout here, and I want to talk about kitchen design. And design is so important if you want to cook a lot, because design means more efficient. Now, there's two parts of design. There is the form, which is the look, right? And then there's the function, which is the efficiency. So form and function. So every design has two parts, and you must always look at the two parts of a design. So currently, this is the design of the kitchen. So pretty much everything that you use for the stove is in here that you use for cooking. And all the perishables, the things that you wouldn't use to the stove, is right here. Now, where do you think the stove should be located? Here's all the stuff that you use for the stove, and here's all the stuff you use not for the stove, right? You know, very well, maybe use some of the ovens sometimes for cooking, but most of the stuff isn't. So in this design, do you think the stove should be located to the left or to the right? Well, obviously, you want the spices and stuff near the stove, but look to the left. Oh, we got a door here. Uh-oh. Where is the stove? Okay, let's go look for the stove. It's way over there. So basically, the poor cook is forced to get a workout whilst they're cooking. Form and function. So this may have a nice looking form to it, but it has no function. In essence, it has poor design. So the same goes for the whole system for basically dealing with taking stuff out and washing dishes. And ultimately in the same idea is that you want everything to be close. Now this actually has a pretty good design. So the utensil drawers right here for the things. The pots are right here down the drawer. So except for one thing, which is a tool that a lot of people use all the time, is the Vitamix machine, right? And in this case, the empty bottles are down here. Now, if you're washing them all the time, it makes more sense for you to be able to put them away right here, which is there's an empty spot there. So that would make a lot more sense. The other thing too is when I'm using the Vitamix, I'm probably going to take vegetables and milk or yogurt, and I could pour it and get it all ready here. Then I basically can blend it over here. In essence, though, probably the Vitamix machine should be in this corner here, right, for efficiency. This may not be in the best location. These knives probably should be right here, right, in order for me to use. So here, or it could be maybe on this board here. Originally I had the spices on here. This was a spice table block. Very close to the stove. Made them very used. People were using them all the time. When I got here, no one was really using spices. So that's the poor design.